A federal judge rules a controversial Missouri gun law is unconstitutional. It banned local police from enforcing federal gun laws.
Our Sydney Stallworth is live at Bridgeton Police Department with more on why the judge says he passed this ruling and what this now means for local police. Good morning, Sydney.
Good morning to you, Michelle and Rennie. This ruling came down on HB 85, which says that state and local law enforcement officers in Missouri cannot enforce federal laws that aren't also reflected in state laws. Now, this federal judge says that it's unconstitutional and void now, giving the U.S. Justice Department a victory in its lawsuit against this measure. Now, I want to tell you a little bit about HB 85. The U.S. District Judge Brian Wimes says at best that law just caused confusion among local police who are called on to work on federal task forces, and at worst was unconstitutional. So he ruled HB 85 violates the U.S. Constitution's supremacy clause, which holds that federal laws take priority over conflicting state laws. Now, under Missouri law, state or local law enforcement agencies could face a $50,000 fine if they knowingly enforce federal laws that the state measures purposefully nullified. Now, officers who were prohibited from enforcing federal laws, some of those laws were national laws on weapons registration and tracking, even possession of firearms laws by some domestic violence offenders. Now, Judge Wimes says, quote, state and local law enforcement officials in Missouri may lawfully participate in joint federal task forces, assist in the investigation and enforcement of federal firearm crimes, and fully share information with the federal government without fear of HB 85's penalties. Now, Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey has announced that he plans on appealing this federal decision, saying that he's committed to defending Missourians' right to bear arms. Just so you know, St. Louis City, St. Louis County, also Jackson County filed a lawsuit that's separate from this decision against HB 85. I have an update on that lawsuit and how they're reacting to this judge's decision in the next half hour. Reporting in Bridgeton, I'm Sydney Stallworth, 5 on your side.